Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Artlist subscription, step by step. It'll only take a couple of minutes, so let's jump right in. And hey, whether you're switching to a different music licensing platform, taking a break from content creation, or just trimming your subscriptions, no judgment here, I've got you covered. First, open your browser and head over to artlist.io. Make sure you're on the official website. Double-check the URL in your address bar to avoid any lookalike sites. You want to see the padlock icon and the exact address, artlist.io. Next, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, then hit Login to access your account. If you signed up using Google or Facebook, make sure to log in through that same method. Otherwise, you might get a wrong password error, even though your account exists. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon or your name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings, or it may appear as just Settings. This is your main hub for everything related to your account, personal info, billing, and yes, your subscription plan. Inside your account settings, look for a tab or section called Plans and Billing, or Subscription. Click on it to open your current subscription details. Here, you'll also be able to see your renewal date, your current plan type, whether that's the personal or the pro plan, and your billing history. It's worth taking a screenshot of this page before you proceed, just so you have a record. Here, you'll see your active plan. Scroll down and look for the option that says Cancel Plan or Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and click on it. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling all the way to the bottom of the section. Sometimes it's placed below the plan details. Artlist will likely ask you why you're canceling. You can select a reason from the list or skip it. Then, click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the process. Pro tip: sometimes at this stage, Artlist may offer you a discount or a pause option to keep your subscription at a lower rate. If that's something that interests you, it's worth considering before you fully confirm. But if you're set on canceling, just go ahead and confirm. After confirming, you should receive a confirmation email from Artlist letting you know your subscription has been canceled. Make sure to check your inbox and your spam folder just in case. I'd recommend saving that email as proof of cancellation, especially if you're close to your next billing date. Keep in mind that your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, so you can still use Artlist and download tracks until that date. After that, you won't be charged again. However, keep in mind that any music you've already licensed and used in your videos remains fully licensed. You won't lose those rights. That's one of the great things about Artlist's licensing model. And that's it! You've successfully canceled your Artlist subscription. Quick recap: log in, go to Account Settings, find Plans and Billing, hit Cancel, confirm, and watch for that email. Simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues. I'm happy to help. See you in the next one.